Welcome to 4606 South Marron, located in the Mountain Horizons community of East Mesa. Set on an oversized corner lot with only one neighbor and Greenbelt views, this home offers privacy, space, and a beautifully upgraded interior. You'll find crown molding, neutral accent paint, plantation shutters, and tile throughout the main living areas. The updated kitchen features granite slab countertops, white cabinetry with crown molding and hardware, a large island with breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, and pantry, blending modern style with everyday ease. The spacious owner's suite includes a bay window for added light and space, plus a private bath and walk-in closet. With 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just over 2,100 square feet, this split great room floor plan is both open and functional. Step outside to a full-length covered patio with a ceiling fan overlooking a large backyard with lush grass, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Located close to shopping, dining, and the Loop 202 freeway, this East Mesa home combines thoughtful design with a convenient location.